The theory of evolution is often presented as an indisputable fact, but what if there are significant problems with the theory that are not widely discussed? We're going to look at four major scientific challenges to the evolutionary narrative using the acronym LIFE. This acronym was come up by Frank Turek to help debunk evolution with these 4 points. These points question the very foundation of the theory. Let's see if these 4 letters challenge the story. First up, L, limits to change. The theory of macroevolution claims that small changes over vast amounts of time can result in completely new kinds of creatures. However, real-world experience, like dog breeding, shows you that while you can get a wide variety of dogs, a dog always remains a dog. Breeders, with all their intelligent effort, can't turn a dog into something else because there are genetic limits. This points to a limited capacity for change within created kinds, not the unlimited change required by evolution. If intelligent breeders can't break these genetic barriers, why would we expect a random, unintelligent process to do so? I stands for irreducible complexity. Consider the bacterial flagellum. It's a microscopic outboard motor with about 40 different protein parts, including what acts as a rotor, a stator, and a drive shaft. If you remove any single part, the entire motor stops working. Natural selection can only preserve things that offer an immediate survival advantage. How could random mutations build a complex motor that provides no function until it is fully assembled? The same problem applies to systems like blood clotting and the intricate machinery inside our cells. Useless stages aren't preserved by nature, they are eliminated. This suggests these systems had to be created fully formed. F is the fossil record. If evolution occurred gradually, the fossil record should be filled with millions of transitional forms, the in-between stages. Instead, the record shows that major animal groups appear suddenly and fully formed in an event known as the Cambrian explosion. Trilobites, arthropods, and other complex creatures appear without any clear ancestors in the preceding layers. Even Darwin admitted this was a serious objection to his theory. The general pattern in the fossil record is the abrupt appearance of a creature, a long period of stability with incredibly little change, and then its disappearance from the fossil record. This looks more like a sudden creation than gradual evolution. Finally, E is for epigenetic information. Life is not just built by the code in DNA. It also requires information that exists in the structure of the cell itself. This is known as epigenetic information. To build a new body plan with DNA, you need to change more than just the DNA sequence. You actually need to build new structural information that guides how an organism develops from an embryo. Mutations to DNA alone are not enough to create a new body plan outside of DNA. Furthermore, significant changes to this epigenetic information occur early in an organism's development and are typically lethal. This presents another barrier to the kind of large-scale transformation that macroevolution requires. If these 4 points have you thinking, that's a good thing. Honest questions are essential for finding the truth. If you appreciate content that takes a searching look at the evidence, be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. I want to hear from you. What do you think about these challenges? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Share this discussion with a friend who believes in evolution is settled science and keep the discussion going. Thank you for watching.